Yeah, hi everyone. Good morning. So in yesterday class, we are discussing about tables concept, and in today class, we'll do remaining things in the tables concept. Okay. Okay. So first of all, we can create one table. Okay, in today class. For creating a table, so you can type tables here. Under system definition, we have tables. Under system definition, we have tables. So I'm just writing the navigation. Under system definition, we have tables. Tables table name is sys underscore db underscore object. Sys underscore db underscore object. This is the table name for tables. So if we are creating any table, if we are creating a table, the table also will be stored in some table. While creating a table, the table also creating in one table. Okay, that is called sys underscore db underscore object. Now we can see how many tables present in the current ServiceNow instance. I'm just opening these tables. You can see how many tables are present. almost 5,000 plus, right? 5,329 tables are there in the our service now instance. 5,329 tables are there. Okay. So for example, we can check for the incident table. You can see incident. It is extended from the task table. We can see change table, for example, change underscore request. You can see this is the change request table. Like this, I'm going to create a table. I'm going to create a table now. I'm clicking on new button. Yes. Uh, my first table name is, I can say, Ashok IT. I'm saying my table name is Ashok IT. Okay. Whenever the label is provided, the table backend will automatically populated. Okay. Table name, custom table names or custom field names always starts with U underscore. Custom table backend names or custom fields backend names always starts with U underscore. I'm just saving the table. Ashoka IT table is automatically created. Okay. So once we're submitting the record. Now you can come. So while creating a table, so it is created these default columns. These columns were calling as a system fields. Like while creating a table, it created 4 ACLs. Okay, and it also created application and module. It also created application and module. I'm just copying this label. Oh, no, it is. Yeah, you can see Ashok IT. You open this table, you can see. Now there is no records in the this Ashok IT table. If you observe that when we created Ashok IT table, it is also created application model. Okay, we can note down all these points. We can note down all these points. Custom table are user defined defined table names starts with user table or user custom table or user defined table names starts with u underscore starts with u underscore. Okay. Next, custom are user defined column names starts with custom or user defined column name starts with u underscore. Okay. Custom or user defined column names starts with u underscore. If you found any table name starts with u underscore, that is created by us. If you found any column name starts with u underscore, that is created by us. Okay. Next. Yeah, while creating a table, it is created few things automatically, right? We can note down about those things. While creating a table, following automatically created. What are those? Application, second one. Module, third one. Table role, table role. Yes, I will show you that table role now itself. You can see if you go to the controls here we have table role. Okay, this is the table role created. Okay, this is the table role created. Then what else created? Mm, next, if table role is created, A cells also created. Table system columns, table system columns, ACLs created. ACLs, okay, 4 ACLs created. Okay, these are the things automatically created when creating a table. Application, module, table row, table system columns, ACLs. Okay, next. While creating a table, following it will create following columns automatically. Okay, what are those? Created, created by, updated, updated by, updates. Sixth one is society. So these are the columns created automatically. Okay, created, created by, updated by, update society. You can see those columns once. You can come to the columns. You can see society, updated by, created by, updated, created, updates. Okay, these are the columns. It created automatically. Next. So maybe we can create one column from here itself. Okay. So my column name is name. I'm saying my column name is name. Okay. Column label I just given as name. I'm taking string. Here you can see. Here we have different data types available. Almost 55 data types available. Okay. Maybe here I'm taking string data type. String. Oh wait. Maximum length 40. It will automatically take even we don't require it. I'm just saving this table. So you can come and see. This is a custom field we created just now. And like if we created some custom fields, here you are also able to see the into mark for the deletion. You are also able to see the into mark for the column deletion. And we can also verify the columns, these columns backend names. You can come and I just going to the personalized list. So I'm bringing column name field to the available slash bucket. Column label, column name. Oh, now you can see column name, custom column name starts with U underscore. Okay. Other system field starts with sys underscore. Sys ID backend name is sys underscore ID. Updated by sys underscore updated underscore by. Created by sys underscore created underscore by. Updated sys underscore updated underscore on. Created sys underscore created underscore on. Updates sys underscore mode underscore count. So these are the field backend names for the system fields. Okay, yes. So generally, we will create a fields mostly not from here. Okay, so I'm just opening any form. So here you can see we have created one custom field right name that is appearing here. I'm going to configure form layout, configure form layout. Okay. Here we are going to create a column. Mostly from here we are going to create a column. So you can see here it is showing all the data types. Audio, calendar, date time, choice, date, date time, document ID, domain ID, password. Okay. From these data types, I will note down mostly used data types. Okay. Mostly used things I will use. Run it. Come. So we can note down the data types. Data types. What are the data types in tables? Table columns. What are the data types we have? So like here, I will note down most used data types. Okay. We'll use choice regularly. Next, date, date time, reference, string, true or false, list, decimal, integer, image, password, file, journal input, journal. So these are the few data types we'll use regularly. So choice, date, date time, reference, string, broad false, journal, list, decimal, integer, image, password, URL, journal input, journal. These are the few data types we will use regularly. From this also, most important one is choice, string, reference, this date fields. Okay, date fields, true or false. Yeah, mostly these are only very, very important. Okay. Choice, date, date time, reference, string, true or false. These six is very, very important. We'll use regularly. Okay. These 15 data types are regularly we are using in the real time. And from these 15, these six is very, very important. We will use mostly. Okay. Yes. These are the data types in columns. And next, maybe I'm going to create few columns here. Name, I'm saying manager. So manager, I'm taking reference data type. Yes, reference data type. So manager is referencing to the user table. So here I'm selecting user table. Yeah, team. So if you feel I'm going very speed, please let me know immediately. So maybe I will slow down. Name, manager. Okay. Maybe I'm saying date of birth. Date of birth. I'm taking date. Okay, data type. Name manager. Next, I'm saying address. ADDRES address. I'm taking string. Okay. Maybe here I'm taking string large. What I mean, so it has to accept 1,000 characters in that string field. Okay. I just want to cover another field. True or false. You can take true or false here. Hmm, what we can take the column name here. Active. I'm saying something. Active. Okay. Hmm. Choice, cover, date, reference, string, true or false. And I will also create one journal field. And then we get it. Okay. So here I'm just taking journal field. This journal. Add. I'm just saving these fields. You can see here. Close. Name. This I have taken as a string. Manager. I was taken as a reference. Date of birth. Date field. Address. Again string. So this is the string small. So this name allows 40 characters only. This address I have taken string large. It will allow 1,000 characters. This is active. True or false. Okay. True or false. This is a comments journal fields. So generally, if you go to any social media, it may be LinkedIn, Facebook, whatever it is. If you are updating a comment, so below to that post only, comment will be appear, right? There we are using journal field only. There we are using journal field. If we enter something here and save the record, that comment should be shown below to this comments box. Okay. Maybe I will save this record once. And if you observe this one, these columns are showing like one after another. Okay. One after another. Like I want this column should be arranged side by side. You can come configure form layer. Configure form. I'm going to configure form layer. So here we have begin split, end split, split. I'm trying to utilize these three options. Okay. Begin split. So I'm keeping here. And these comments I'm adding after end split because so this I don't want these comments I don't want side by side. Okay, it should be in one column row only. Next split. Mhm. I'm just saving that. You can see now the columns is appeared side by side. So here I have used begin split, split, end split. Then the columns are appearing like this. Then the columns are appearing like this. Okay. Maybe we can save this record. I'm saying I'm G manager. I'm saying I will do her date of birth. I'm giving something like 0101 20. Okay. Maybe I'm giving like this. Active to maybe I'm giving address like Hyderabad. Okay. I'm just saving this record. So here you can see if you observe this URL, this side is showing is -1. Okay, when we open any new record, that this side will show as -1. Okay, you can observe this. This side is -1 in the URL. So now I'm saving this record. Oh, it is showing invalid date. That is fine. So maybe format is different. I have given. Okay, format I have given different. That's why it is showing invalid date. Now I'm saving this. associated record. Now you can see this side is changed to this 32-bit hexadecimal number. Okay. So we can note down about this side as well. You can come. If this side is a unique ID for each record, this side is a unique ID for each record. Sys ID is a unique ID for each record. So basically, in our Servicenow instance, if we create anything, it may be incident, it may be general data in the Ashokite table, it may be choice, it may be change, it may be KB article, we may provide some feedback on the KB article. Whatever the record we created, it will create a it will assign one sys ID for each and every record. Okay. Sys ID is a unique identifier in each record for each record. So if you guys have any idea on SQL, in SQL database also will use row ID, right? Like that, here we are using sys ID. It is a unique identifier for each record in the service now. Okay. No two records sys IDs are similar. There is no kind of like that. Okay. One record sys ID doesn't match with another record within the Servicenow instance. It never matches. Okay. This is sys ID. If sys ID is -1, if sys ID is -1, if sys ID is -1, it is a new record. If sys ID is, if sys ID is 32-bit hexadecimal number, if sys ID is 32-bit hexadecimal number, it is a existing card. Okay. If sys ID is a 32-bit hexadecimal number, it is a existing record. Got it? If sys ID is -1, we are treating it as a new record. If sys ID is 32-bit hexadecimal number, we are treating it as a existing record. Now you can see, so we have created a showcase record. This record is existed. So if the sys ID is -1, that is a new record, we have to submit. Okay. And example sys ID, I'm just copy sys ID and pasting here. This is example sys ID. So anybody have any idea? So what are the numbers will be there in hexadecimal number format? Any idea? So basically we have number systems. Okay, we have number systems theory. We have different kind of numbers are there, like octadecimal numbers, hexadecimal numbers, num octadecimal, hexadecimal, decimal numbers like this we have. Okay. So basically hexadecimal number starts with 0 and ends with F. Okay. Hexadecimal numbers starts with 0 and ends with F. Okay. So this society always be there in that hexadecimal numbers only. Okay. Maybe we can note down hexadecimal numbers. Hexadecimal. Hexadecimal numbers. So it's like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, it should be, after 9, it should be A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F. These are the hexadecimal numbers. If it is a decimal numbers, if it is I think I don't remember exact name, whether it is numbers or decimal numbers. It starts with 0 and it ends with 9. If it is after decimal numbers, it starts with 0 and it ends with 7. Okay, like that, we have numbers. Okay, if we go to the number theory, maybe you can search in Google. So even if anybody studied CSC, okay, we will get these concepts in I think digital logic design concept, I remember. Okay, we don't require to go that much. As of now, hexadecimal number starts with 0 and ends with, yeah, this is fine. Even we don't require to go that much in depth. Next, so basically, like we can see these URLs. You can see. I'm just copying this. Copy. In URL, how to identify form use and list view. In URL, how to identify form use and list views. Okay. So let's start to. This is list. I'm just copying this URL and I'm pasting here. You can see it will open Ashok IT list view. So you can see this open. So like this in URL, we have to identify. So maybe I'm updating these URLs. Instance name. This is table name. Table name dot to this side equal to -1. Same. Table name. Next question. Even we don't require this question mark. Okay. So to open form, to open new form in a table, to open list view of that table directly from the URL. Okay, you have to uh, you have to use URL format should be like this. Okay, for example, you want to open Ashok IT table. Here you just give Ashok IT. So if you want to open instant table, you just give instant or do incident table name, like that. It will open. Okay. So for example, you can see now we are in Ashok IT list view, right? Here I'm just changing the table name. Here I'm just changing the table name. I'm just replacing Ashok IT with incident. Then it will open instant list view. Is opened or not? Yes, it is open. For example, now we are in form. Now we are in form. Maybe I'm updating syside equal to -1. You can see within the Ashok IT table, it is open new record. Okay, within the Ashok IT table, it is open new record. Maybe I want to open new instant form. You don't require to go to the instant table and all. So directly from URL also you can update. You can say incident enter. You can it will open a new instant form now. It is free there. You can see. From the single page, okay, we can open all the tables, forms or list views, okay, whatever we want with single URL. Okay, so generally in real time, so we'll do this kind of activities. Okay, we'll do this kind of activities. Like we feel that, so like going to this navigation, typing incident, clicking on the all or clicking on the create new. Like we feel it's time waste and unhurry mode. So we'll utilize this kind of shortcuts. Okay. Till now, if you have any queries, please let me know. Any queries till now?
No, you can carry.
Okay, perfect.
Anji, I have a
Anji, I
doubt.
have a doubt.
Yes, one by one. Yes, tell me. What?
How do you open that create like a new field, how do you enable like a configuration of the Ashok IT form? Could you please show me the new form
Okay.
from the table itself?
So I'm just opening the list view. Okay. I'm clicking on new button. It will open new Ashok IT form. Here I'm clicking on form context menu. Okay. I'm clicking on form header. Will open a form context menu. Configure form layout. Okay. Then you can create new columns. You can arrange columns however you want. Can I write navigation maybe?
Yeah, that's better. I guess your system was tagged for me. I'm unable to see. Only
Even it was
I'm seeing the
stuck for me.
instant.
Sorry.
I think you were sharing the different screen when showing that.
Oh, sorry. 1 minute, 1 minute. Again, I will show you. I'm closing all the tasks first. So here we have Ashok IT application. I'm opening it. So here it is a list view. I'm just opening new Ashok IT form. Okay. Yes. After opening Ashok IT form, I just click on form header. Okay. Click on form header. Maybe better I will note down form header.
Is that a right click, Anji?
Yes. Yes, it is right click.
Have you deleted the old records like CSID, some things are there, right? Have
No,
you deleted those
I
things?
haven't deleted anything. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So form header, form context menu, menu opens. 1 minute. Form context menu opens. Like after form context menu opens, configure. After configure form layout. Okay. This is the navigation. Got it?
Okay. Yeah, got it. Yeah, thanks.
So I have clicking on form header, configure, form layout. So here we can able to create fields. We can able to arrange the field however we want. Okay.
Okay, yeah, thanks.
Yeah, maybe here I'm creating another record. So name is Rama, manager, I'm taking double footer. So date of birth, I'm taking something. So comments, I'm adding something like testing, active true, address, Hyderabad. Okay. I'm just saving it. You can see. Now here sys changes. You can see now the sys is some 32-bit hexadecimal number. That means it is a existing record in the table. Okay. Now again, if I want to create a new record, okay, we don't require to go again this navigation and all. You can simply update this sys to -1. Okay. It will open a new associative file. You can see it is open new associative file. So earlier, just before we created record, right, that will be there in the list view. You can see from list view, you can able to see. This is created just now. This is created 14 minutes ago. Okay, only 2 records we created. Got it?
Yeah, got it. Yeah.
Okay. So, if you observe this, if you are adding some comments within this comments box, this is a journal field. You can see that comments are updating below to the text box. Now I'm saying in progress something I'm saying. Oh, hello team. I'm saying something like hello team. I'm just updating this part. You can see it is updating here. So I'm just saying hi. I'm just submitting this Ashok IT record. You can see these comments are updating one after another within the below to this journal box. Below to this journal box. Okay. This is journal field. The journal field works like this. So here, if you observe, it is a preview icon. If you click on the preview icon, So it will show this able tutor record details. Okay, able tutor, mail ID, first name, last name. Okay, it will show all the details. Team